So here you go. This is 3D printed because that cover just flew off. I don't know when. So I 3D printed this. The pull hose, 1.5, 2 inches. The pull hose probably up to here, from 1.5 to 2 inches copper, 2 inches PVC, 90 degrees elbow. These are 3D printed. I have the STL files if somebody's interested. These are the vents. I got 2 from differentials, 1 from the fuel tank, 1 from the crankcase. I 3D printed these, which they're gonna be mounted here. I'm just glue them, I guess. Oh, like this, yeah. I'm just gonna glue it like this. So here you go, looks perfect. I'm gonna let the glue dry, or it's some kind of silicone, I don't care. That's what I have in the storage. In the storage unit. There you go. Boom. Perfect. And now, I actually did smoke test it, but I wanna do it again. Just double check, and that's it. Ready to go. No check engines. Starts right up. There's the intake. The intake so should be here. I don't see anywhere else. Which is the best case scenario. But if I open it up here, I should see the smoke. Check. I actually checked the air filter and nothing happened. For whatever reason, didn't fill up the air box with smoke. Check over here. I don't see any smoke in the case. No, it's not, doesn't smoke here anymore. Just go. Yeah, I don't see anything. Seems to be done well. I mean, that's the third time actually.